The interest charges on an Apple Card are intended to discourage defaulting. But if you think your annual percentage rate, APR, is abnormally high, there may be several reasons for this. Having high debt across various credit facilities, such as student loans, can contribute to a high APR, as it suggests you are a credit risk. To address this, it's essential to create a plan to pay off these debts as soon as possible. Additionally, a high credit utilization ratio can also lead to a higher APR, as it raises concerns about your creditworthiness. It's crucial to decrease your outstanding debt to demonstrate your ability to make timely payments. A poor credit score can also result in a high interest rate on your Apple Card. To mitigate this, adopting good financial habits can help improve your credit score, ideally above 800. By understanding these potential factors, you can take steps to address the issues contributing to your high APR and work towards a more favorable interest rate.